What for?
That should be obvious.
Oh, God, Trip, don't turn this into a big production, please.
Jesus, Grace, come on. I'm not asking a lot here.
What? Trip, don't give me that look. You're going to drive me crazy.
Dan! Hey, I thought I heard someone out here. God, it's been so long since we've seen you. Hi. Yeah. Wow, it's so great to see you after so long. Well, come on in. Let me go get Grace. Grace? What are you gonna hide in the bedroom all night?
No, I just don't want to go out there.
Oh, come on.
Look, Trip, I don't understand why. I just don't want to go out there yet.
Why don't you want to go out there?
I'm not ready to go out
Well,
there.
you have to be out there, okay? So just put on a happy face and get going. Get going.
Look, I don't understand why you're always doing this to me.
Grace, can we do this later?
Yes, I'm coming. I'm ready. You just... Ugh!
Dan. Hi, how are you? Oh, it's so nice to see you. It feels like it's been forever.
Yeah.
Oh. By the way, you look fabulous. Well, come on in. Make yourself at home.
Dan, let me get you a drink. Oh, and I've got these fancy new cocktail shakers I'm itching to try out. What would you like? How about a martini?
Good, okay.
All right, fine. We can indulge in my new cocktail accessories some other time. Grace, what can I get you to drink tonight? Surprise me.
I'm happy just to have what our guest is having.
Fine.
So, Dan, I'm hoping you can help me understand where I went wrong with my new decorating.
Oh, Grace, let's not do that. Here, Grace. Yours is ready.
Thank you.
See, I told you he would like it. There's nothing wrong with it.
So, about my decorating. This new painting above the couch is, an experiment.
Grace tells me she was the highest bidder at the auction for it. Well, wait a minute. I don't think you've taken a close look yet. Let it soak in a little.
I'm sure I can return most of this and try to start over again on this room. Ah, yes, I've been waiting for someone to say that.
What are you talking about?
Trip, he is just being honest about my decorating, which I appreciate.
No, but I'm just trying to be
don't
honest.
worry about it. Decorating's just not your thing, that's all. Yes, did you see, Trip? Someone finally gave me their honest opinion.
Well, you two are all chummy already. That's good.
Oh, God.
Dan, you're acting all fidgety. Are you all right?
Trip, have you noticed we're fighting in front of our friend?
Grace, come on. It's not helping things for you to say that.
Trip, it's okay if we disagree in front
Disagreeing?
of our friend.
We're not disagreeing. We're not. Jeez. Why not? What? Dan, I want you to look at this photo from our recent trip to Italy.
Trip, maybe our friend
Grace,
would prefer...
just because you don't like it doesn't mean our friend won't. So, come on, I want you to look at this.
Dan, come over here and sit on the couch with me.
Grace? Now, Dan, in one word, what does this picture make you think of?
Oh, please, Trip, don't...
No, that's not it.
Yeah, that's a fine answer. I like that.
No. Dan, take another look. This says what?
How about oppressive?
Romance. It says romance. Yeah, no. It was supposed to be romantic.
And I missed my friend's art show.
What? Who is this? Yeah, no. she wouldn't leave the hotel room. Okay, well, you and I are getting along better tonight than I first thought. Ugh, you're driving me insane! You're goddamn decorating. What? What are you saying? You're never satisfied with it. All right, yeah, fine.
Ugh. Dan, can you believe this?
Yeah. Dan! Yeah, I know what you're about to say. You're so damn positive tonight, it's annoying as hell! Goddamn manipulation. Grace, I just want to be together and
sure,
be happy.
yeah.
Can you just see that? Can't we just do that? All right, you know what? Dan, I need to ask you something.
Trip.
Grace, let me ask our guest a question. Dan, yes or no? Each person in a marriage is supposed to try really hard to be in sync with the other, right?
What? Oh, yes, that's fine. That's fine. Just admit it, Trip. Admit it. We have a shitty marriage.
Oh,
We've
come
never
on.
been really happy from day one. Never. God damn it.
Oh, yeah, go on, go away. I can't stand friggin' looking at you. Oh, shit. What are you saying? What?
What, Trip? Are you trying to talk
What's it to you? Dan, this is not normal. This has never happened.
Dan, in what you said before about forgiving, I think we've already learned something about Trip.
Oh, we're talking about me again, are we?
What? Trip, it's your fault. 10 years ago, freshly married and just out of college, you convinced me to go into advertising instead of art. Yes?
This is insane! Oh, so your broken dreams are my goddamn fault. Oh. Yes? Oh, I cannot friggin' believe this! Look, let's not focus on just me or you. Let's talk about us both.
Dan, you blame me for all of this, don't you?
See, Grace, you're the...
Yes? Oh my God. You think I'm to blame. I'm to blame for all of this. Yes? Let's keep talking about us, our relationship. You've really held me back, Trip.
You can't put that on me.
I've wasted 10 years of my life on advertising and redecorating.
Oh my God. Dan! Ugh. Yes? Oh, okay. All of this, our life, it's all just been a waste.
Yes?
What is her problem? Please, tell me, what is her problem? Ugh. Look, let's switch the focus to Grace.
Trip, what makes me so angry is your attitude.
What?
Dan, his attitude towards art and artists and everything that I care about. Yes? Ah, thank you. Just saying that really helps.
You're so angry, but you don't do anything about it except bitch and moan.
Ugh!
Let's continue focusing on Grace. Dan, look around this apartment. It's got everything anyone would ever want. But Grace? Oh no, she's never satisfied. Yes?
Oh, I get it. Okay. The path to true happiness is buying a bunch of fancy crap.
Grace, after your upbringing, you have
Shut
the
up,
nerve
Trip.
to say that... No, we need to talk about us both, not just one.
I think Trip and I are drifting. I am afraid we're becoming disconnected.
Yes?
Yes. That helps us.
What? Grace, I'm right here. I'm the same person I've always been.
Dan, I mean, is there something about me? Let's talk some more about us, our relationship. Trip, you just pretend to like all this stuff. Fancy cigars and fine wine.
You think I'm not good enough.
I never said that. I'm saying there's more to you than all this. Trip, can't you see? It's the way you speak, the way you talk to me.
What? I'm not allowed to be angry?
You tell me what to do, you don't listen.
Dan, I'm not telling her what to do. I'm trying to help her.
Yes?
See, I'm the one trying to reach out to you, Grace.
Dan, it's time that Trip finally
Grace,
just admits
don't.
that our
No,
marriage...
you don't need to.
Admits that our marriage
Stop
is
it.
not...
Stop it.
Yes? Oh, thank you. Just saying that helps me. See, this is how it's been for the past 10 years. Look, let's switch the focus to Trip. Dan, every time Trip is unhappy, he rushes out and buys some new gadget.
What are you talking about? You're always buying stuff.
Trip, you're the one who's always bringing home an electric lemon zester or automatic creme brulee torch.
Yes?
Dan, that helps him.
What? I just like to own the finest, that's all.
Oh. Okay, god damn it, I can't do this anymore. Just stop. Dan, I know what you're hinting at. About me. About our marriage. Do you really want the honest truth, huh? Trip?
Yes.
See, Dan, I've been listening carefully to what you've been saying tonight. You've really been pushing me. And I wonder, are you really my friend?
Grace.
Dan, come on. Yes or no? Do you really think that not defending me when I asked you if I was to blame, but especially what you said about forgiving and forgetting, that I'm supposed to realize something about myself from all that? Is all of that arguing intended to mean something, or is it? Just give me a yes or a no. Okay. Trip. In college, I was in love with someone else.
What?
An art major named Vince.
An art major named Vince?
And I slept with him.
You what?
The night before you proposed to me. I jinxed our marriage, Trip. I jinxed it. I'm sorry. This is all my fault.
Oh, wow. I'm glad you finally told me. Jesus. Dan, this changes everything.
Yes, it does change everything. I think it's over.
Grace, what?
No. It's over, Trip. Don't you see that?
What? I
just told you something about me I should have said a long time ago. I ruined everything from the start. And no, Dan, hold on.
Grace, no,
No, Trip, this is about me. I see now it's not about you or about our marriage.
Me or our marriage? Hey, no, wait!
And no, Dan, please, it's okay, Dan. I'm sorry, but thank you. You really helped me.
Grace? Grace! Jesus Christ. I should have told her that. I could have told her that.